Hi Crafty Friends, it's Lynn from Hovey Craft Studio, and yesterday we completed this DIY ironing board that's for a tabletop. We made this out of a tier tray. So the ink is dry and it is ready for heat setting. So let's talk about heat setting this morning. So what do I have for supplies? I have my mini iron. I have this set to a medium setting, no steam. You can use a heat press. You'd want to use 305 degrees for 30 seconds to heat set. Yes, ink is permanent. You still want to heat set it. I'm also using these parchment baking sheets. I use these in the box. I have a box to put them back because I don't use them as often, and they're reusable because I'm simply going over my ink. So they fold a piece of paper. It's perfectly, there's no waste, and I can fold it right back up and put it back into my box, and I've had this box forever. So with that, let's get started. It's going to take us about 2 minutes to heat set this piece. And so what I'm doing with my fancy dancy mini iron here is I'm just going to keep going over this and over the parchment paper. I am stuck on something. What are we stuck on? Okay, that's better. We're just going to keep going over this for 2 minutes, and I'm doing this as evenly as I can. I'm staying right over where my ink has been. Now, a question came up as to why not heat set this right away because you've taken your dryer and dried it. It's not completely dried, and what would happen is that my ink would remain sticky, and I don't want to have sticky ink. So I let that dry. Has it been 48 hours? It's closed. Or 24 hours? It's closed. And I rubbed my hand over it several times today, and it was absolutely good to go. Again, my iron is medium heat set, no steam. In fact, this iron, because the only thing I use it for is really to heat set my ink items, is I don't put any distilled water in it. There is no steam to be had in this. And so, like I said, you know, it's just my iron for heat setting, and this is what I do. It's just a cute little travel iron. I think I picked this up at, it was either I picked it up at Joann's or I picked it up on Amazon. It was one or the other. I've never taken it traveling with me. I don't plan to. Now, because I already have this down on my board, I've only gone over this side for 2 minutes. Now, it's been 2 minutes, and had this been done ahead of time and not already put down, I would turn this over and I would do the back side for 2 minutes as well. So just real quick, supplies: iron or a heat press at 305 degrees, iron on a medium heat, no steam, baking sheets, put that parchment paper right over it, evenly iron for 2 minutes on the front side and the back side, and you're done. It is that easy to heat set fabrics after you've used Magnolia Design Co. ink. So with that, I'm going to bid you farewell, and you have a great day. Happy crafting. We'll see you again soon.